totally going to use the footage.
Footage?
Yeah.
You want to use the footage?
Say
Use
hi.
this footage.
I'm still gonna use it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in the last video I promised that I'm going to wipe this makeup because for the people who haven't watched the last video, because I used this viral TikTok or Instagram method of using a ton of foundation. And so this is the end result after a couple of hours. Right now the outside is dark, so I'm sorry I don't have like the best lighting. I'm going to wipe it off and see how hard it is to get it off myself. And the other thing that I'm going to show you is my nighttime routine. Of course I did apply my lipstick again, and I chose this time a brighter color, well, because it's mostly dark night and dark time, and during the night you need to normally have a bit of darker colors or sharper colors, I would say. I hope that you would like this video and enjoy it. I'm here to clean the makeup and show you my nighttime routine. Basically, okay, I'm gonna call it the nighttime routine, but it's like routine, so let's start. I'm going to first use whatever makeup cleaner. Anything that cleans the makeup works. It doesn't really matter because I'm gonna use a face wash, and then I'm gonna use a brush to clean all of the pores. I don't really like my face to be naked in front of you guys, but you're just like my family, you know. Not that they ever saw my face naked. This tastes like shit. Yuck. As you see, I have used 6 pads for this makeup. And that was a lot, so this is the last time that I'm going to use that much of fine foundation and that much of face cleaner. I think I used like 1/3 of it. So anyway, we go to the next one, which is washing the face. I use this, which is like my favorite of all time. This is Tołpa. I believe this is a Polish brand as far as I know. The prices are very affordable and the quality I think is very nice, because I personally have a very greasy T-zone. I don't have it now, and you know why? Because I use Tołpa. This also is the same brand. It's a bit different because this is for lips and eyes as well. Okay, so I'm going to first do something with my hair. I'm gonna use a wet pad on my face. You can just, you know, normally use like a water. But I'm in my room, so I'm not gonna. I'm gonna use this one. And in this case, because my makeup was so kind of extreme, it was like a lot of foundation, a lot of powder, a lot of contouring and everything, and I don't want my pores to be closed, I'm going to use a brush. So this is like a normal, you know, what is this even? Oral-B electric toothbrush head. Don't do this all the time. Please do not use this every day. This is not a good use. It's like disclaimer, I'm not telling you to use this every day because it can actually hurt your skin. But once, like every 2 months or every month, like I guess this most often you would use it is every 2 weeks, is to use this. I like this because it has a round head and it's, you know, flexible and it's not so hard. So what you do, you take it and like very, very slowly, because your skin can be quite sensitive, and you clean the pores. You see how it got dark? And you need to make sure that you use a clean brush. So if there's a brush that you are like used it for 2 years and you want to throw it away and you have washed the toilet with it before, don't use it on your skin. So another mask that I would use is Face Boom. This is also a very affordable, very cheap mask. I don't know how much I bought it, like maybe $4 or $5 or something like that. And as you see, This is like 1/3 of this mask and I have used it like 4 times. Ah! So this mask has to stay on my face for 15 minutes and I'm gonna show you how it looks after the 15 minutes. I'm gonna wash it. Okay, so I cannot really open my mouth. As I said, this is now done. It barely shows, but it's really hardly holding my skin in place. Oof. So okay, so I washed my face. Sorry for the weird. I mean, I'm always weird, so. I don't know what is wrong with me. I'm gonna use a pad because I used another thing from the same brand, Tołpa. And believe me, I'm not sponsored, but I just like this brand. So this is a toner that you need to use after washing your face. I use it like every 2 days, but I think that it gives my skin the freshness that it needs. And then I use this, which is some sort of serum. It's moisturizing and it's from Tołpa. I have used my toner, I have used my moisturizing serum, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this Neutrogena. This is good for cellular boost, and it's like some sort of way of helping your skin gain back its elasticity. So I'm gonna use it not all over my skin because, for example, I don't need it on my nose. And at the end, the eye cream. The eye cream is just for, you know, I don't have really a lot of wrinkles around my eyes, but I use the ice cream occasionally. The eye cream occasionally, like maybe every 2 days, in order to make sure that I'm gonna have a good eye skin for a longer time. When you're massaging your eye, you need to use this finger, because if you use these 2 fingers, it may be too much of a pressure. You need to go in this direction. So from under you go in and above you go out. Made my own lip scrubs. This is a mixture of honey, but honey that has been turned into sugar, not just soft honey, and coconut oil. Then you clean this with a clean pad. Maple! This is my favorite lip balm. And I'm ready to go to sleep with clean skin. If you like this video, please press the like button, please subscribe. This page is a magazine. I would love to have you with me through this journey. Thank you, bye bye.